Good afternoon. Happy Tuesday. It's Lindsay. It is the skincare spot with Lindsay. Maybe we'll call it that. That'll be our new phrase, right? Skincare spot with Tuesday with Lindsay. Every Tuesday and Thursday, 2 o'clock. All right. So good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about retinols. All right. I'm going to talk about 2 retinols with you. They are the Sente retinols. All right. These ones. The Bio Complete and the Intensive Bio Complete. All right, this is going to be our subject topic today. All right, so these are very gentle retinols. All right, so if you're trying to say, I don't like retinol, I can't use retinol, makes me red or itchy or something. If you want to start something different or start a new retinol, these are the ones we want to go with, okay? So these are super gentle. They have hyaluronic acid in them, and then they have an encapsulated retinol, so it's a time-released retinol. This one, the Bio Complete, this is the first one we're going to talk about. This is actually a 0.25 retinol, so it's like, Sente calls it like their baby retinol. So it's like a gentle, like introductory retinol product, you know, if you've never used it, or if you want to try and use it, or you say I've used it in the past and like it doesn't work very well, or you're sensitive or you're peeling and itching and you're like, I don't like it. This is the one that you should be starting with. All right, the 0.25. It's a hydrating retinol. So it's got the hyaluronic acid, so your skin's going to be hydrated. And then it has the HSA technology, so then it's able to penetrate and absorb in the skin very nicely. And then it has the encapsulated retinol. So looks like that. All right, it's almost like a gel formula. I'm gonna rub that in real quick. That was way too much for my hand. I like to go overboard sometimes when I'm doing these. All right, it goes in very nice and smooth. Actually, it goes all the way up my arm. Way too much. All right. So what this product is going to do is it's going to help with your fine lines and wrinkles. All right. It's an anti-aging product. So this product you want to use at nighttime. All right. We're talking about the Sente Bio Complete Serum. It is a 0.25 retinol. All right. So you only need about 1 to 2 pumps for your face and neck. It's going to help target those fine lines and wrinkles, help you look for smoother skin, younger looking skin. It helps firming your skin, hyperpigmentation. It's good for all of that. All right. It's totally in my entire arm now. My arm is all retinoled out. Okay. So we are all good. This product you want to use at nighttime. Okay. So you wash your face, you put on any serums that you need to put on, and then you want to put on your retinol, and then after that, your moisturizer. And then during the daytime, remember to always use sunscreen because these products can make your skin sensitive, but it is a very low concentration of retinol. All right, this is the Bio Complete. You can find this on emeragecosmetics.com. All right, Emerage. I don't know what the price is offhand, but it's 20% off. 20% off right now. I think it's right around like 110, I think. I don't know offhand, but if you go to emeragecosmetics.com, you will see the price. Put in the code Stay Safe, and then you'll get 20% off. And then, yeah, free shipping over $150. The other product is this one. This is the Intensive Bio Complete Serum by Sente. So this one is the same product, only it's just a higher concentration. So this is going to be a 0.5 retinol, which is still on the lighter side. A lot of retinols have starting at like 1.0, which we carry those too. But these are going to be your retinols for sensitive skin, like super sensitive, or you want to start out kind of like at a low grade so you don't have a lot of reactions to your skin. All right, so that's this one, the Intensive Bio Complete. All right, these are hydrating retinols. All right, they have hyaluronic acid, so they're going to hydrate your skin, and as well as there's that one, hydrating, as well as, you know, helping smooth out, firm, tighten. All right, goes in real nice all the way, fills out my whole arm. All right, if you are pregnant or nursing, you want to stay away from retinol in general, okay? Don't use those. So don't use these if you're pregnant or nursing. You can find these at emeragecosmetics.com for your retinols, your Bio Complete Serum, and your intensive Bio Complete Serum. This one is a 0.25, all right, 0.25 retinol concentration. This one is the 0.5. So these are your stepping stones as you get into your retinols once you want to start something, you know, a lot more intense. So you can have a slight irritation with these products. Redness, sensitivity, that is normal with these. These are so sensitive though that it's a minimal chance of getting those. All right. But when you will start using these products, you want to start using them about twice a week at nighttime only, and then just test how your skin's reacting. You know, it might take you a couple months to be able to build up a tolerance to where you're going to be using it every single day, but start off with twice a week at nighttime, and then you can up your frequency as your skin builds a tolerance. All right, so this one is the BioComplete. It's the 0.25. It has the HSA technology, and it has the hyaluronic acid and 0.25 encapsulated retinol. Yes, it is good for acne. Senté's brand in general, they're really good for acne. They're not going to clog your pores. They're not going to cause acne. That's part of their whole design of their company, is what it's based on, is that it's not going to cause acne or any kind of breakouts. All right, so these are perfect to use for acne. They're not used to treat acne, but they're not going to cause any breakouts. This one, again, is the Intensive BioComplete. This is the same product, it's just stronger, all right? So this is your 0.5 and your 0.25, all right? Dark circles. Sente actually has an Illuminate eye cream that is good for dark circles. You can wear that at nighttime too. You just pat it under your eyes very gently, and it's going to counteract all of like the purples and the grays and the blues under your eyes, and it's the Sente Illuminate eye cream. I have that somewhere, but I can't get up right now. Sorry. These products, again, you can find them on emeragecosmetics.com. All right. These ones. Use the code STAYSAFE, and then you'll receive 20% off of your order. So this is our baby retinol. Okay, the baby retinol is 0.25% retinol, and then this one is going to be the 0.5, the Intensive BioComplete. All right, start off using these, you know, twice a week at nighttime. Most people start seeing results in about 2 weeks, but definitely give it at least 4 weeks before, you know, you're really looking for differences. And that goes with all skincare. I say this every time, that goes with all skincare. 4 to 6 weeks, you know, you're going to start seeing results sooner, but don't judge your product, you know, until you give it like the full time to start working into your skin. All right, they're going to gradually increase your frequency of usage throughout the weeks as you go. So start off with 2 to 3 times a week, and then you can up it as it goes. All right, Senté's BioComplete. It has hyaluronic acid. It is the 0.25 retinol, encapsulated retinol. That means it's time released, all right? So that means it's gonna keep on working. And then when you're in the sun, put on an SPF 30 or higher, all right? Nothing under that at all. I personally say 50 because we ain't trying to get burned, all right? We're trying to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, and your sunburn's just gonna cause them to happen more, all right? Real talk. Listen to me. And that's what this product is here to prevent, your fine lines and wrinkles, all right? So don't counteract yourself. All right. This also helps to firm your skin, all right? All right, my skin's looking real nice right now these days, okay? I've been doing retinols every night. I've been doing HQ, some hydroquinone, some retinols, derma rolling, all right? You want to be doing that. We got, you know, not a lot of time left in this quarantine. Things are starting to open. So if you haven't done a peel yet, I'm telling you, you should get on it. Let's do some chemical peels, okay? We got about a week or so left. You know, everywhere's a little bit different, but if you have not done your chemical peel yet, get on the website, okay? Get on emeragecosmetics.com. We're doing free consultations with the skincare specialists, with the estheticians. Right now, you can go online, Emerage Cosmetics, and you can get a free consultation for your skincare, okay? So we can get you set up with a chemical peel. We'll carry you through the whole product of that. It's going to be great. Your process will be fantastic. We did a couple peels this morning and they're looking great. Okay. These products are your best friends, your retinols. Okay. If you're not using one, this is a great chance to start one out. You can start with the 0.25 if you're nervous. All right. That's going to be the Bio Complete. Can you see it? The Sente Bio Complete. All right. Your baby retinol. Do you recommend using anything after? What do you mean by after? Like in your skincare regimen? Afterwards, I would put on the Sente Derma Repair as a moisturizer. Or do you mean stronger? Like a stronger retinol? Ginger with a side of sushi. I don't know. Okay, ginger with a side of sushi. When, I just need some more clarification. Whether it's after as in a moisturizer or after as in, oh yeah, like, okay, there we go. That came through. Derma Repair, yes. So after you put on your retinols, you can put on the Sente Derma Repair Cream after that. That's what I use. It's my favorite. It's a very creamy textured moisturizer. It's got a lot of vitamins in it and it's gonna, you know, penetrate very deep into your skin. It's fantastic. All right. Yeah, put on your moisturizer afterwards, okay? So these products are oil-free, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. So they cover all the, what's the word am I looking for? All the spots, all the hits. You know what I'm trying to say. Hi from Indonesia. Hi, it's Lindsay from LA. All right. What else can we talk about? So, fine lines and wrinkles. This is like your main product that's going to help with that. All right. So if you're trying to get rid of some wrinkles over here, I don't have too many. Dr. Emer did a brow lift on me a couple weeks ago and he lifted all this and it pulled all my wrinkles away. Tighten that up. All right. So, but in conjunction with my brow lift, I also use my retinols, okay? It's a combination approach. You got to do in-service, like in-office treatments, as well as at-home treatments. That's just how this works, all right? There's no magic one or the other. You got to do both, all right? You go to the gym and then you eat right. Same thing, you go into the shop. In the office, we get you some lasers. We get you some treatments. Justin. And then you do your skincare at home, all right? Justin says he needs a bright and tight. That is a fantastic. All right, so bright and tight. We are going to, what that means is in terms of chemical peels, all right, chemical peels, once we open, which will hopefully be soon, we're not exactly sure yet, but as soon as we're open, we can do a bright and tight on everybody, which means we'll do something like a Morpheus Refractora on your face, which is microneedling with radio frequency, and then we'll put a chemical peel on top of it. There's also other things too, the Clear and Brilliant. We can do a lot of different things for you. Or we can do bright and tight in other parts of your body too. We can tighten up all kinds of things, all kinds of areas, and we can brighten all kinds of areas. So if you need a chemical peel for other places in your face, guess what? It works. You can do chemical peels on your chest, on your arms, on your elbows, on your booties. You can do them down under. So if you have, you know, dark pigmented skin down under, male or female, you can do a chemical peel there. Trust me, they work. I've seen the photos. All right. It pulls pigmentation, it pulls dark spots. So if you need a chemical peel, trust us, we can help you along with those. It's something that we do all the time. It's not anything weird. It's totally normal. Don't get weirded out by it. People need brightening in every aspect on all parts of their bodies, and your chemical peel is what's going to help you there. All right. And then to continue your results from your chemical peel, you will need to be using retinols. Look at that full circle. There we go. Brought it back to retinol. So what we're talking about today are Sente retinols. All right. These retinols can also be used for continued results from using your peels. So you've already pulled the pigmentation. Your skin is looking bright. You're probably looking tight also. And then to keep that pigmentation bright, a retinol. Okay. This is our baby retinol, the 0.25. Okay. 0.25 encapsulated retinol with the HSA technology and hyaluronic acid. And then the other one, this one is the intensive Bio Complete Serum, okay? Or Bio Complete Cream. They changed the name totally on this one. All right. This is the 0.5 encapsulated retinol. So this is twice as strong as this one is, all right? 0.5. And it's still the encapsulated retinol, which means time released. It has hyaluronic acid and the HSA technology. I don't know what that question means. All right, so here we are. If you want to buy these products, I think it's a great idea that you should do that. You don't need both, you need one or the other because they do the same thing. So you can get these at emeragecosmetics.com. All right, do you want to see them again? You're doing great, sweetie. Thanks. I love compliments. There's that one. These might be. And there's the other one. I don't know why they're yellow. There you go. There's our retinols. Oh, covers a lot of area. Okay, I put 1 pump of each and it covers my entire forearm. All right, all the way. This is a lot of product, so you don't need a lot. Well, I'm glad that you think that I am helpful to you. That's what I'm here for, trying to drop some knowledge on you. All right, if you check out emeragecosmetics.com, you can set up a consultation with yours truly. All right, skincare specialist. I can help you out. We can talk on the phone about your specific needs. We can get you all set up. We can get you ready for when the world opens again, and then, you know, you'll be nice and ready to go. We'll do a last minute chemical peel. All right, we can get it to you in the mail by this weekend if you want. We'll put it on next week and you'll be ready to go. Okay, because we're about to come out of this, and if you've been slacking on your skincare these past 7 weeks. How long have we been? I have no idea. If you've been slacking on your skincare, I'm upset at you and you should get on it right now, okay? So we need to start derma rolling. Yes, we ship everywhere, okay? We ship to Australia. Okay, so get on your skincare, all right? Let's do it. You got, maybe a week left. Maybe some places are longer than that. We need to get on it. Start derma rolling at home once a week. The little needles, okay? That's going to help your pore size, also help your fine lines and wrinkles, okay? Are we catching like a theme here that we do not like fine lines and wrinkles? All right, everything we're doing is trying to get rid of that. I get it. I don't want fine lines and wrinkles either. That's why I did a brow lift. Emer hooked me up. You can't even see it, all right? You can't even see where it went in. My eyes look amazing. He's the bomb, right? Dr. Emer's the bomb. He opened my eyes up real nice. Does Emer, Dr. Emer sells derma rollers on the website, emeragecosmetics.com. Yes, we have the MTS roller. It is 0.5 millimeter needles, okay? 0.5 millimeter needles. That is a very important key factor, because if you're going to use something that is not, it's like less, if you're doing like a 0.25, you're not breaking the skin, okay? And you're not getting into where you need to go. It's literally doing nothing for you, okay? The only reason why you should be doing something that is less than 0.5 needles if you're doing the small, like the Genesis eye roller, okay? Because your under eyes are very, very, very sensitive under here. Like if you touch them, the skin is very thin and it's super sensitive. That's the only time that you should be using a roller that is less than 0.5. So it's probably like a 0.25, which is what we have for that. The other rollers need to be 0.5 if you're doing it at home. Okay, if you go deeper than that, that can be unsafe to do at home, all right? And we're all about safety here, okay? So if you buy something online or like on Amazon that's, you're thinking, oh, well, if I get, like a 1 a one, I don't know, what's 0.51? Yeah, a one roller. You could go too deep, and then that's just going to cause pain and problems, okay? Like you could actually do more damage. You're only wanting to do the 0.5 to do, make those little microchannels, and then your serums can get in. That's going to boost your collagen and elastin, all right? And when you break the skin, they have to heal itself, okay? So that's the point. Put your serums on, your skin will be looking fresh and plump and nice, all right? That's what we're trying to get at. All right, it can help with your acne scars, especially if you're at home right now and you can't get any laser treatments to help with your acne. If you're doing, Danny, yes, Danny, you can order the peels from the website, 100%. Danny, yes, emeragecosmetics.com. And you can get a peel. If you do order the peel online, we will set you up with a consultation, a virtual consultation. It's just on the phone. And then we'll make sure that that is the correct peel for you. You know, since it is a medical grade product, we do want to make sure that you are being taken care of and that you are under medical supervision and medical care. All right. So check out Emerage Cosmetics, and we can get you your peels, your Cosmon or your Enlighten peel, depending on what you need. We can get your retinols. We can get your Derma roller. We can get anything else you need, your cleansers. Maybe you need some hydroquinone or some Cosmolon 2 cream, all right, for some extra intense brightening, all right? So this is where we are. emeragecosmetics.com. You can get these. If you enter the code Stay Safe, you can save 20% on everything there. That includes your chemical peels, all right? So chemical peels are, you know, they're expensive because it's a chemical peel. It's, you know, it's an intense treatment. Right now it's 20% off. So that's like, once we reopen again, I don't think this special is going to be happening. Like, I don't really know, but I'm just like assuming that once the office is open again, the online special is probably going to go away. So if there's anything else in your regimen that you're missing, like a vitamin C, an SPF, a sunscreen, okay, because now we're going to start going outside, so you better be wearing your sunscreen, okay? Dr. Emer did a live earlier today, and he talked about our tinted sunscreens, so if you need one of those, I highly suggest you go and get it, like now, soon, because you're going to need it. You're going to want to go to the beach. Everybody's been locked up inside, staying safe and staying home. Okay, so the second we go outside, we're not used to the sun anymore. So you're gonna need to wear your SPF. Okay, so go watch Dr. Emer's live from earlier, and he talks about the 3 tinted sunscreens that we carry from Sente, from Isden, and from Revskin. So go reference his video, and then go online, and you can get those products on a 20% discount. He also talked about, I wanted to touch on this. He talked about the Amazon, where people were comparing the prices to Amazon. So here's my disclaimer on Amazon. Medical grade products are one of the highest counterfeited products that you can buy online, okay? So you're finding things on Amazon that say they're these products, but they're not a verified like distributor or retailer for the medical grade products. So you don't know what you're getting, okay? So I love Amazon. This is not a knock against Amazon at all. I love me some Amazon. This is, when you're buying medical grade products, you need to buy them from a verified source, all right? So Emerage Cosmetics is a verified source. We get these products directly from the shipment distribution area where they make these. What's that called? I don't know what that's called. The factory. I get these straight from the factory, okay? So just be wary if you get something on Amazon. Like, I don't know, I can't guarantee that it's that. Same thing, like people are trying to buy the Cosmolon packs on Amazon. Guess what? There's 2 different kind of Cosmolon packs out there. That's why there's such a price difference. There's the one that doesn't have hydroquinone in it, and then there's the one that does. So if you're buying the one that's a lot cheaper, guess what? It doesn't have hydroquinone in there, so it's not going to pull the pigmentation like you think it's going to, okay? So buy your products from verified distributors. Vitamin C recommendation, I personally like the Is Clinical Pro Heal. That one is my favorite. It has a 15% ascorbic acid in it. And then the other one that we like is the SkinCeuticals Floritin, and that has a 10%. So that one's better for like more oily skin. And then actually Dr. Emer has a vitamin C coming out very soon, and it's actually in a gel form, so it doesn't smell funny, because vitamin C, that's just how it works. It just smells funny. So his product is a gel form, and it's actually 20%, so it's like super strong. So you got all the brightening. All right, guys, I think I've talked in enough circles for today. I hope you enjoyed the Tuesday skincare spot with Lindsay. Check out Emerage Cosmetics for any more of your skincare needs. I'll be here every once in a while, Tuesdays and Thursdays. All right. Actually, I'm not here this Thursday, but whatever. I have other filming to do for the website. Okay, so once again, get yourself a retinol. We got the baby retinol 0.25 hyaluronic acid with encapsulated retinol. Okay, and then the 0.5, the intensive Bio Complete Serum. All right, so it's been fun. I had a great time. We'll catch you on the flip side. You know, get in the DMs if you have any more questions. We'll be happy to answer them, okay? See you soon. Bye, guys.